guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by, just guess, when I'm wearing a quality wig, you know very well who the sponsor of this video is. Okay, Luvme Hair Company. Okay, all right, of course it is Luvme Hair Company. All right. I'm even blushing because this is my kind of wig, this is my kind of tone. I love me a good quality highlighted wig, and baby, this wig right here, it is giving that. It is giving exactly that. All right, this wig is Glueless, by the way. Nothing was done to this wig. All right, straight out of the box, this is how the wig is looking. All right, look at this. This is stunning. All right, and by the way guys, this wig is Glueless. No glue, no mousse, nothing was used. Okay, this wig came pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-bleached. It is a ready-to-wear wig, so you just buy the wig, and immediately when you receive the box, you just put it on. All right, that's when you know, when you buy quality, you're going to get quality. That is it, guys. When you pay for quality, you're going to get quality. All right, so yeah, without any further ado guys, let's get straight into today's video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also remember, I do have a discount code for you guys, so when you buy this wig, you have to buy this wig. When you buy this wig, use that discount code. All right, it is Mimi LM, and yeah, you're going to get some coins off.
I could blame it on the physical, I could blame it on your lips you touch.
So I'm quickly going to do an unboxing so that you know exactly what you get when you purchase here from Luvme Hair Company. This is the Luvme Hair box. It is purple and silver. If it changes, I will let you know. All right, so let me show you guys all the nice goodies that they sent me. They were kind enough to send me this wig storage bag. I can never have enough of these. An HD wig cap, a hair clipper, and a wig band. Okay, it is nice and stretchy as well. I love the fact that it has this, so it's going to grip nicely. Your wig is not gonna go anywhere. So straight out of the box guys, this is how the wig is looking. Let me just take out the net. Okay, let's take out this paper inside. First of all, I can see that this is HD lace. All right, the quality of the lace, insane. Okay, so okay guys, this wig is absolutely gorgeous. The highlight, okay, I love the fact that it's also brown. Yeah, the wig is brown with blonde highlights. Okay, there you go. This is gorgeous. Look at that, the highlights are nicely distributed. You can see that. So this is a ready to wear wig, because look at those curls. Look, they are nice and bouncy. This is a ready to wear wig. Okay, like, what do you mean? What do you mean I have to do something to this wig? I'm just gonna put this on and it's going to look amazing. So let me show you guys. Oh, I love the fact that this inside this cap is nice and stretchy. I think y'all can see it's nice and stretchy. It has an extra, okay, an extra band as well. All right, and it has also these wig belts that you can use to adjust your wig. This is also adjustable, and it has combs as well. All right, so this wig is glueless. It is very much secure. It's not going anywhere, so relax. So this wig is pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-cut. The only thing that I'm gonna do is just put it on my head, and let's see how it's going to look. I'm so excited to see how it's going to look, because I know I look so good with highlights. All right, so let's put it on. Straight out of the box, this is how the wig is looking. All right, it is glueless. What? It is nice and bouncy. The C part is doing what it's supposed to do. Let me show you. Where's the comb? Where's the comb? where is the comb? In case you think I glued this wig down, I did not do such a thing. Okay, Luvme hair and Glueless wigs, baby, they do such a great job. Let me show you. You're thinking, oh, memes, but it's gonna fall. Lava, it's not gonna fall. It is not going to fall. It is a nice and secure. Guys, I really love this. I love this. This is how the wig is looking. Wow, 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 wow. I don't even know what to do to it because like it is nice and soft. There's no need for me to do anything to this wig, I'm telling you. Like it moves when I move my head, you know, even the slightest movement, this wig moves. The quality is 10 out of 10. It is insane. It is beautiful. It is top quality. Yo, guys, look at the hairline. Do you see that, guys? Wow. Guys, I'm going to use water and conditioner for the wet look. Okay, so let's just get straight into it. All right. This is how the curls look when they are wet. Okay, this is how the curls look when they are dry. All right. I don't know. I like both of them. I really like both of them. But this is a 2-in-1 type of thing, okay? So but if you like this side more and you want it to last, you are going to just use any gel, and this is going to last you. This look is going to last you the whole day. The wet look kind of situation, it is going to last you the whole day. All right, so yeah, I'm so confused. I don't know which one I like more. I love all of them. Yeah. I don't know, I cannot choose.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there right.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, do follow me on Instagram at @curlymemes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company. Until next time, you guys, bye. Go get yourself this wig. It is 10 out of 10. All right, get it.